Hey there, savvy savers. Welcome back to Money Moves Made Easy TV, your go-to place for personal finance tips and tricks. Living frugally doesn't mean depriving yourself of life's joys. It's about making smart, simple choices that help you save more and live better. Whether you're looking to cut down on unnecessary spending, build financial security, or simply enjoy a more sustainable lifestyle, adopting frugal habits can make a transformative difference. If you're looking to do that, today's video is just for you. We're diving into 30 simple frugal living habits that can make a huge difference in your finances without making you feel deprived. Ready to learn some smart money-saving hacks? Let's get started. Before we move on to the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel to see more finance videos like this. 1. Cook at home. Cooking at home is one of the easiest ways to save money. It can significantly reduce costs compared to dining out. It also gives control over ingredients, promoting healthier and more economical choices. 2. Meal plan and make a shopping list. Planning meals in advance and creating a shopping list helps avoid impulse buys and food waste, ensuring that you purchase only what you need. 3. Buy in bulk, but only what you'll use. Buying non-perishable items in bulk can save money, but be mindful to purchase only what you'll realistically use to avoid spoilage or waste. 4. Limit takeout to special occasions. Save takeout meals for special events or occasional treats to cut down on food expenses while still enjoying a break from cooking. 5. Buy generic brands. Many generic brands offer the same quality as name brands at a lower price, especially for basics like pantry items and cleaning supplies. 6. Use a price comparison app. Apps like Flip or ShopSavvy can help you compare prices to find the best deals on groceries, electronics, and more. 7. DIY cleaning products. Homemade cleaning solutions, often made with simple ingredients like vinegar and baking soda, are cheaper and eco-friendly alternatives to store-bought products. 8. Use cloth napkins and towels. Replacing paper products with reusable cloth napkins and towels reduces waste and can save money over time. 9. Cancel unused subscriptions. Regularly review subscriptions and memberships to eliminate those you don't use, freeing up money for other priorities. 10. Brew your own coffee. Skip the coffee shop and brew your own coffee at home. Those daily lattes add up. 11. Avoid impulse shopping. Impulse shopping can drain your budget. Take a step back and give yourself a day to think before buying. 12. Embrace minimalism. Living with less can lead to more happiness and save you a ton of money. 13. Use public transportation or carpool. Save on gas and wear and tear by using public transportation or carpooling with friends. 14. Practice the 30-day rule for big purchases. Thinking about a big purchase? Wait 30 days to see if you want or need it. 15. DIY gifts. Make thoughtful, homemade gifts for friends and family instead of buying something. 16. Turn off lights and unplug devices. Reducing energy consumption by turning off lights and unplugging electronics when not in use can lower utility bills. 17. Grow your own herbs. Herbs can be pricey, so grow your own at home. Plus, they make cooking more fun. 18. Use Cashback Apps. Apps like Top Cashback and Swagbucks can help you earn money back on everyday purchases. 19. Skip the gym and exercise at home. Work out at home with free YouTube videos or simple equipment instead of paying for a gym membership. 20. Buy secondhand. Thrift stores, online marketplaces, and consignment shops offer quality secondhand items at a fraction of retail prices, from clothes to furniture. 21st. Use a budgeting app. Track your spending with budgeting apps like Plum, Chip, and Monzo to help you stay on top of your finances. If you need more details about the budgeting apps, check out our video, Top 10 Money-Saving Apps. 22. Make use of your local library. Libraries provide free access to books, magazines, movies, and even workshops, helping you save on entertainment and educational costs. Also, they aren't just for books. Many offer movies, audiobooks, and even classes. 23rd, sell what you don't need. Declutter your home and make some cash by selling things you don't use anymore. 24, use LED bulbs. LED bulbs last longer and use less energy than traditional bulbs, saving you money over time. 25, avoid bottled water. Instead of buying bottled water, invest in a reusable water bottle. You'll save money and reduce plastic waste. 26, plan your errands to save on fuel. Combining errands into one trip can save time and reduce fuel costs, especially when gas prices are high. 27, avoid paying for storage. If you're paying for storage, consider decluttering and making use of the space you already have. 28th, batch cook and freeze meals. Cook meals in large batches and freeze them. It'll save you time and money on takeout during busy days. 29th, make your own snacks. Store-bought snacks can be pricey, so try making your own at home. 30, be mindful of utility usage. Turn down the heat at night, unplug unused electronics, and be conscious of your water usage to save on utility bills. Simple actions like taking shorter showers, using a programmable thermostat, and insulating your home can lead to significant savings on utilities. And there you have it, 30 simple frugal living habits that can help you save money and live a more intentional life. Remember, frugality isn't about depriving yourself, it's about making mindful choices that lead to financial freedom. Which of these tips will you try first? Let me know in the comments. Also, you can download all related resources and guides in the description section below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more money-saving tips. Thanks for watching, and happy saving!